Welcome back, and well, today in our second tutorial I'm going to show you how you can move your player or add your player onto your game. So in the last tutorial that I have created, the link will be in the description, where I told you how to download the Xcode and how to create the first project. And if you are familiar with creating the project, now this you will have to do is just go to the demo game and double click on it. So now as you can see, the icon is jumping around, so wait for it to load. So while it's loading, guys, let me just select a player from a game, go to Google. Oh, I think I have the player on my desktop or somewhere in my computer. So let me just search it first of all. So let me just go to the Devil Fighter. It's my game. It's also available on the App Store. So just go and search Devil Fighter and you will find the game. And just let me find the asset. For example, here's a play. So yeah, right over here. So let me just, oh my god, it moved. So let me just copy and paste it right over here first of all. So finally I have gotten my player, which I will add this onto my game. Go to Xcode, and in Xcode click on assets and category, just drag and drop this play.png onto it right over here. As you can see, here it is. In the future I will tell you that what's this 2x and 3x, but first of all we will focus on the 1x for now. And now you'll have to do is just to go to game scene.swift. So basically, let me just show you how this coding works. So let me just click on iPhone 8, and anyone wants to have a cup of coffee, I'm having. So it's loading up, wait for it to load the simulator. It might take a while to load for the first time, but after the first time it will load much faster and easier for you guys. So here it is, here's the simulator. Hmm. So it's still loading. Now it's saying launching demo game. So yeah, here it is, the Apple logo, the iPhone. You can think that either you have an iPhone, it's running on your PC or on your Mac. So it's still loading, so wait for it to load. So as you can see, now the game is loading up from my side, and on my side you can see, so it's named as demo game, like I said. If you haven't watched my previous video, then please watch the previous video, and where I've shown that how to create this, because there are many features or many ways to create a game. Like you can create an application, you can create a game or AR kit application, and blah blah blah. So we are in the game section right over here. So you can see whenever I click somewhere on the screen, there is a round circle type of thing going on around, and the hello world becomes smaller. So now we have to change it, so we have to put something in this scene. So this is a scene, remember guys, this is a scene, and we are going to work on scene files in Swift. So let me just minimize it for a while, and now you'll have to do is, when you are here at this place, just remove everything, and I don't need this for now, so remove it. Just accept this override function update current time interval, we will use it in the future. So now you'll have to do is, guys, just make a variable right to here. You can create the variables at this position right away, or you can create on the top. So if you want to get access to the variable you can say publicly, then create this right over here, so you can access the variables, or the, you can say, files or things and other classes. But if you don't, then just create the thing variable in this class. So I will make it public for now. So just type var, and it should be player equals to sk sprite node break hit open, and there will be an let me just open the bracket, and here it is, image named. So just click on that and double quotations for now, and name it play .png. So it should be the same name as you have added in the assets, so play.png. So yeah, so once you have done it guys, now you'll have to do is just in the did move function, you'll have to do is just type um, add child player, and now another thing you'll have to do is player dot position dot equals to cg point, and it will be in float value, so I will just put 0, and in the y will be 0. So in y and in x they both have 0, so they will be in the center point of the game. So now let me just run this application and let's see where is our player right now. So it's running. I have also created a math quiz application. If you want, go and search on the app store and you'll find the applications. I have created many applications guys. As you can see right over here, the player is in the center. Now you will see hello world, so just go to main stereo board, and from there, it's not available right over here, but it's showing up. From there must be some bug, but anyways, you have added the player onto your scene. So if you want to change the position of the player, like in the x-axis, you go down with minus and you go up with plus. So I will say minus 200 will be fine for me. So let me just rerun it again guys. So as you can see, now it's in the minus side, and if you want to get the player a little bit downward, then minus y, and it will be minus 200 also. So let me just change it, minus 200. Another thing guys, if you have noticed that the player size, if you want to increase or decrease your player size, there is also a function called, so it's not a function, it's a kind of method. So just type player dot z position, it's a z position, so player dot set scale, and inside the scale, just if you just type 2, so it will be a scale size of 2 inches. So let me just rerun it again and I'll see did we increase the size or not. So yes, you can see the player size has been increased and it has become it came little bit downwards. So this is how you add a player to your scene. So in the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move the player or do something with it. So another thing I will show you in this video, there is a Z position. So player dot z position equals to just 2. So it's a z position where the frame by frame comes. So if the background is on 1 and your player is on 0, then it will be in the it will be behind the background, so you will not able to see your player. So if when you turn the player to 2, so it will come automatically onwards to the background and you will able to see the player going on around. So that is the Z position. It also used in the 3D graphics, and so we will further study about the Z position in our further tutorials, but for now you will see that how you can add a player or any sprite on your Xcode game. So thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, also like this video, bye.